Good morning, all. In our new lecture series on basics of COVID 19. Today, I'm going to talk to you about basics of COVID 19, including the virus that caused this disease, some of the signs and symptoms of the disease, and how it is transmitted between people. Before that, we should know what is the learning objective from this course. So, during this lecture, we will describe the origin of virus that cause COVID-19. We will try to identify the clinical signs and symptoms of COVID-19 and risk factors for severe disease. We will try to describe and identify how to obtain data related to COVID-19 worldwide. We will also try to describe how to obtain data related to COVID 19 India and its states, describe how someone is diagnosed with COVID 19. We will also describe you how to use Arogya Setu app. We will describe how and when someone is infectious. We will also try to explain how this virus is transmitted from one person to another. Now let's just first talk about SARS-CoV-2 virus. Before that, before going to SARS-CoV-2 virus, we should know what is coronavirus. Coronavirus is a disease, or known as COVID 19, is an infectious disease caused by newly discovered coronavirus. Coronavirus or COVIs are a large group of viruses. One need powerful microscopes to see them. Why we are using corona? Because here corona means crown. As per WHO, most people infected with COVID 19 virus will experience mild to moderate respiratory illness and recover without requiring special treatment. We will further see in our upcoming videos that hardly 2% patients require critical critical surgeries or critical treatment. These 2% people include older people and those with underlying medical problems like cardiovascular disease, diabetes, chronic respiratory disease, and cancers are more likely to develop serious illness. SARS-CoV-2 is a new coronavirus. Most of you are aware about that SARS-CoV-2 is originated in bats. And since this is a special coronavirus, this has jumped species and can be transmitted into between people. This is the third time the whole world is affected by coronavirus since 2002. Since this virus, SARS-CoV-2, is similar to the first virus, SARS-CoV, that's why its name is also known as SARS-CoV-2. So the first virus, SARS, severe acute respiratory syndrome, COVID, emerged in Guangdong, China in 2002. Then the second COVID, known as MERS-CoV, Middle Eastern Respiratory Syndrome, emerged in Middle East in 2012, and now SARS-CoV-2 emerged in Wuhan in China in 2019. Before ending this introductory lecture, I would like to tell that how why we call this virus as COVID-19. The full form of COVID-19 is coronavirus, which means CO is corona, virus is V, identified I in December D 2019. So that's how we got COVID-19 as a nickname for this coronavirus or SARS-CoV-2. Thank you. We will meet in the next lecture, upcoming lecture, and we will try to identify how this virus is transmitted to another people and how we can diagnose the people having such viruses. Thank you very much.